Why is the stock market crashing yesterday and today? Do you think could be because it's going to rally sometime in the very near future? And Wall Street wants to pull the prices down so they can make more profits? Let's look at it realistically. Have some decisions been made? Yeah, I think the decision who our next president is going to be has been made. I think that we know that the Congress and the presidency will be much more business friendly in the coming year. I think we've realized that Jerome Powell is going to lower interest rates, and that will bring inflation down. And as the market rallies and people hire more people, and AI comes in and people learn to use it, more high paying jobs will be generated. So, why is the market crashing yesterday and today, and maybe the rest of the week, and maybe next week, setting up for a major bull run? I mean, be realistic. The changes that have happened since November of 2023 and the advent of artificial intelligence are unprecedented. It's bigger than the digital revolution. It's going to reach deeper into our economy. Heck, it's going to reach right over there where I'm going to have an AI factory and I'm going to run my small business the same way that Jeff Bezos ran Amazon, in the same way that Tim Cook runs Apple. I'm going to have all the compute power that they have at my disposal within the next 2 years. So why is the market crashing today? Because Wall Street wants it to crash. That's that simple. They want to create lower prices so when the stock market rallies, they can make bigger profits. There is no reason for this downturn that we're seeing in the past 2 days. Now, again, how long is it going to last? I don't know. I really don't care. I made a major purchase of $93,336 into ASML yesterday because I recognize they are the company that makes the machine that allows us to make semiconductors, that allows us to have a better world, that allows us to have the security that we need here in the United States when those semiconductors are built at Intel and Taiwan Semiconductor goes ahead with their foundry here in the United States. It's going to change everything. So why is the market crashing? Because somebody wants it to. Someone bigger than you and I. But that's going to change. That's going to change. Our world's been run by the big guys long enough. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, access to data is going to put the control in my hands, in your hands. So get ready for it. Take advantage of this opportunity. There are some very good companies that are on sale. And if you don't know who they are, just go into Seeking Alpha, go to their financials, go to earnings, and look at what their projected earnings are for the next 3 years. And if they're projecting their earnings are going to grow over 20% per year over the next 3 years, that means you'll double your money in 3 years. The rule of 72. Figure it out. No, it's pretty ugly right now. A lot of red on my butt. I'm buying. I went all in on AS and ML because we have to have them.